Making money with Coinbase involves investing, trading, staking, and earning rewards through various programs. Here's how you can maximize your earnings. Buy and hold. One of the simplest ways to make money with Coinbase is by buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies and holding them long term. Many investors profit as crypto values increase over time. Trading for short-term gains. Coinbase allows users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. By actively trading, you can make profits based on market fluctuations. Use Coinbase Advanced Trade for lower fees and better trading tools. Staking rewards. Staking is a passive way to earn income by locking up certain cryptocurrencies in Coinbase staking program. You earn rewards for helping secure the blockchain network. Coinbase Earn. Coinbase Earn pays users in cryptocurrency for watching educational videos and answering quizzes about different crypto projects. Referral program. Invite friends to join Coinbase, and you both can earn a bonus in Bitcoin when they sign up and trade. Coinbase Card Cashback. If you use the Coinbase Visa card, you can earn crypto rewards on everyday purchases.